Hello again. This is Lunafire X, and in this video, we'll learn how to work with the WordNet library in Python. What is WordNet? WordNet is a large lexical database of the English language. Think of it like a smart dictionary where words are grouped by meaning. Instead of just giving definitions, it organizes words into synonyms, antonyms, relationships, and categories. In today's tutorial, we'll be learning how to install and use the WordNet library in Python right inside Google Colab. Now, here's something important to note. If you're using Google Colab, you don't have to install WordNet separately. Instead, you just need to install and download the NLTK resources that include WordNet. Let's go step by step. Step 1. Install NLTK by running the command pip install NLTK. Step 2. Import NLTK and download WordNet. Simply write import NLTK, NLTK download WordNet, and also NLTK download OMW-1.4. Step 3. Verify the installation. You can do this by writing a short test code that checks synonyms of a word. It can also be used to find antonyms, definitions, example illustrations, and many other functions, such as checking the specific definition of a word or verifying if a word exists in the dictionary. Additionally, it can help retrieve words that are similar to a given word. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to see more content and get notified whenever we post a new video. Thanks so much for watching.